Hi, I'm Meg McIntyre, and I'm going to show you how I check photo dates using Directory Opus. I've just opened a folder of over 19,000 photos, and I'm sorting them by the EXIF DateTimeOriginal column. It does take a while for the date metadata of this many photos to load. On the right, you'll see a folder I created for undated photos. I'll select any photos without an EXIF DateTimeOriginal and move them to that folder. I use the term undated for any photo without a date in the EXIF DateTimeOriginal field. I need to wait a little longer, as I see the progress indicator is still spinning, but I do want to demonstrate how long this takes so you can compare it to the method you use. EXIF DateTimeOriginal is the most important date metadata field, but for the date to be recognized universally by photo applications, the same date must be in at least one other photo date metadata field. Something you can't see on the screen is that the files displayed are actually in many different subfolders, and when I move undated photos to the undated photos folder, I can recreate the folder structure. And while this may be boring to watch, I want to show you an authentic demonstration. Finally, sorting by EXIF DateTimeOriginal is complete. I select the top undated photo and scroll down to the dividing line between dated and undated photos. With another click, I select all the undated photos, 782 in this one source alone. When I drag the photos to the destination folder, I choose to recreate the folder structure. That's so important since the names of the folders may contain date information. As you can see, many folder names do contain date information. In under 3 minutes, I've identified undated photos using metadata, selected them, and moved them to another folder while preserving folder structure. And that's just one reason the Megabyte method is so accurate and efficient.